test with the mic mini. Under the seat was okay. I feel like it got a little bit clearer, but others it just sounded like it was getting a little too much exhaust noise. It was kind of blowing it out. So I put a couple of microfiber rags under the microphone, under the seat, and I moved it, I shifted it further from the exhaust, and hopefully I'm thinking the microfibers will give it like a little bit of like a muffling. So have the Insta360 app up on my phone so we can see kind of what the audio sounds like and at what speed. So let's give it a go.